The problem is you have a BMW with an N63 engine that has an oil leak that looks to be coming from the bell house area. And let me specify, the N63 engine started in 2008 and finished in 2019 with the N63 TU. So it is in a lot of vehicles here in the US. This is one of these problems that is really easy to misdiagnose. In fact, BMW came out in 2016 with an engine oil leak diagnostic procedure just to prevent this from being misdiagnosed and to save you a lot of time, money, and upset customers. Let's take a really quick look at that. Since oil runs down, we're going to start on top of the engine, just like these very, very well-written repair instructions do. These repair instructions are available right on the AGA Tools website. They basically guide you to look down into the V of the motor, and you do that by removing the catalytic converter heat shield right here, as they indicate. And then they have a very well shown picture of where you insert the bore scope to go down into the V. Once you're down in the V with your bore scope, they direct you to look in the area of this drain hole. As you can see here, this bleed hole is located right in the center of the engine block. In this area, there is many different things that can leak oil. We have the turbo return lines going into this block, entering back into the crankcase. We have the turbo oil pressure line coming out of here, going up onto the turbos, and many other things that could leak, run down, and come through this bleed hole. The bleed hole crosses right over and comes out right here through this rear cover inside the bell housing. If you are dry in this area, in the V of the motor, you proceed on to the next step, which is removing the transmission from the vehicle. Once you're looking at the back of the engine, don't just assume it's a rear main seal. If it is only a rear main seal, you typically will have oil in only this area here and down. However, if you look carefully at this picture, you can see the oil has been running down from up higher, covering the whole rear main seal plate. But if it's dry up top and wet in the back, where's the oil coming from? So, underneath this rear cover, inside the bell housing, there is a main oil galley plug. And it goes all the way through the engine into the main oil port. Silicone or epoxy doesn't work. Because of the many oil pressure cycles, it always works itself loose. The solution is the AGA Tools billet rear end cover. This is now available directly from AGA Tools. This billet cover is made out of 6061 aircraft aluminum, and it's stout enough to withstand the oil pressure from the engine. On the inside, you'll see it has a embedded face seal, and it goes all the way around the oil galley and captures the oil and prevents any kind of leakage. The rear cover comes with everything you need to install it: scotch-brite, degreaser, and O-ring grease. You must apply the grease to the back of the block prior to installing the cover. Make sure you follow the instructions. As you can see here in this service bulletin by BMW, which is also available on agatools.com, these listed vehicles may see this issue. Basically all N63 engines from 2008 to 2019. This rear cover eliminates the need to having to replace the engine if it is leaking oil from here. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe.